What? Well, it's not a plan. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what's going on when I come for represent. Full effecting man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, nation people. Right now, me don't know what take. We Jamaican people, if a back way where I think we not like when time each other get success. Because guess what? Right now, Buju Banton getting visa for the forward America and do shows. And it come like say it's a big crime the man commit. Because people have it for say, well, then a boy bow down for visa. The same thing when I say about sizzle kalanji, the man them bow down for visa. And Cape Town in them thing that's why Cape Town step apart from them. And me see, when I bring one white man on the internet yesterday, claim say I'm an immigration lawyer. And him say the reason why Buju Banton probably get back him visa because Grammy thing. Yo, let me tell you something, Dog, sometimes the internet good and sometimes the internet bad, Because guess what? These people come on the internet with all type of lollipop argument, And because now people go hear about immigration lawyer status, Nobody now go question it, You see what I mean? They have people use them brain, because them go off for all type of shit where people say. You see what I mean? So I use the status. Some people now go question and run with where I say and feel like say where I say the gospel. Yo, I be a fucker and lollipop thing when I go on with. The fucking first place. Cape Town no stepper from no blood clot, man, because Cape Town have him US visa too. You forgot last year Cape Town performed down at the Barclays Center, my brother. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Last year Cape Town performed down at the Barclays Center with the yellow man them, you know what I mean? And tear it down, you forgot. Barrington leave it, the whole of them, weird wonder them. What not talk about? The show not sold out. What not talk about? What kind of step aside and keep it and have him US visa to where him travel and do him thing. What not talk about? And sister get fame on what there before Buju Banton. So what I said, when the man them not get no visa, on say well then. Are the certain type of people them why the man them not get no visa. No, the man them get visa when I say the man them bow to the people them. Yo, is it the man them forget the visa or not? Jamaican, yo, make up on your mind. Make me ask you this loud and clear. Is it the man them forget Bumbuckler visa or not? Which one? Cause you have to make up on your mind now, Or because certain man not get visa. Make up on your mind, What you want? No one man them get visa or no one man them get visa. Which one? Because this is most gimmicks Bumbuckler business, Dog. No, where the man talk about Grammy business, No, that, Not because he's an immigration lawyer, Because Beanie Man Bumbuckler get Grammy too, And Beanie Man can't get one show, Yo, from the blood clot clash go on, the verses clash go on, on the internet, the pandemic, with Beanie Man and Bumbuckler Bounty Killer, You see, from that clash they go on, every year you have Beanie Man book for some big show in America, in the summer, A two year consecutively me watching book for the wireless show, with all Nicki Minaj and them people upon it, And him never get no visa for show up. So I can't no Grammy thing. No lollipop thing in a head. I can't no Grammy thing. That's what I deal with. Some of us are trying to show you all the people them just go around and just run around them more. No, the people want to blame Buju Banton. No one want to kill Buju Banton for bro. Eh? The artist not forget visa for blood clot travel for doing things. Now that him supposed to do, my brother. But that's what I'm going to show you, say, back where you're not thinking of people. Yo. Oh, me see when I run out from Buju Banton, you know, getting him visa, you know, after, you know, because you feel like, you know, for how long the man success or you know, like when man gain success, you know, after that, you know, my brother. Because, oh, popcorn, they on the face of blood clot dancehall for so long now. And can't get him blood clot visa. Me not hear elaborate like that, my brother. Wanna not gang the internet but like that, my brother. I meant to ask the government them and the people them were in charge of them thing, the what's up, my brother, so we can know what go on, why the man can't get him visa. Because the youth no do no, we don't know if him commit no crime, not even the security force. You know what I mean? So I don't know why a big artist like that will step international and a tear down the place and America dying for see the man. You know what I mean? And him can't get him visa and not elaborate about that, but you know want to elaborate about Buju Banton get him visa. What the fuck, the nerve of some people? Eh? Eh? The nerve of some people. What's wrong with you now? You're not crazy hour. Dog, gonna supposed to gang up right now, and I make the government know. So right now, a full time for popcorn get him visa, so him can travel and do him thing. We not go like we not joke, and not go like we not want to talk about fuckery. Like Buju Banton are the first artist you ever hear. Bumbleclot get in a incarceration inside of America for us clad. Whatever charges them have him in there for and get deported back from the country and then forward back of the country. Buju Banton are the first artist you ever hear that happen to. Eh? Want to shine head, the rapper from Bad Boys. Want to shine head. Eh? Where shoot up the people them in the church. Eh? Want to him. Him never get deported. Or where him go? Eh? Where him go? Belize or one of them places there. Go in a politics business and still forward back in America. How me not hear not talk about that, my brother? I do not do no research for how not chat, but you just through the internet and feel like you can just turn on the camera and run on a beat because you feel like, my brother. But be a them lollipop thing them so no go on with, you know. And then go like you want people to believe what you say, you know. Cut the fucking monarchy out, my brother. And Buju Banton are the first artist that bumbleclot happened to. Rap artists do that blood clot and go to prison here. Fire shot from people and go to prison here. And get deported. You see me, and still forward back come here. We not talk about. You know what I mean? Leave the back argument alone. And take up popcorn case serious in hand and make the bumbleclot government know so yo, the whole of America need to see the unruly boss. So no let go of the black ass clock black. We not black up in the youth way from forward come to America and tear down that and free up that right now. You see me, that you're supposed to elaborate about. But you not talk about wow. The government not forget no visa, for go make money, for maintain himself and him family. Why? Why you not feel so? Or why you not think that way then? Yo, at the general in the 10-star one, you don't know each and every time I represent, you don't know what time it is. A full explosion and loud explosion. Big up the whole of FME, Federal Music Entertainment. Big up Gaza Shotty. Anyway, you're there, you hear that, brother. Hear what I say? You can go over your Instagram, go check out the FME and 10-star General, merch them. You know what I mean? And link up. You know one General, the 10-star one I represent. Watch.